In today's video, I'll show you how to add code syntax highlighting in WordPress. This is especially useful if you share coding tutorials or code snippets, as it makes your content easier to read, more professional, and much clearer for your audience. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Plugins section and click Add New. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools to extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, type SyntaxHighlighter Evolved or Crayon Syntax Highlighter. These are popular and reliable plugins commonly used for displaying code in a clean, readable format. When the results appear, look for a plugin with good ratings and a strong number of active installations, as this usually indicates reliability and regular updates. Once you have chosen a plugin, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin active, it's time to adjust the settings. Head back to your dashboard and open the plugin's settings page. If you're using Syntax Highlighter Evolved, you'll find it under Settings, then Syntax Highlighter. Here, you can customize how your code appears by selecting a color theme, enabling specific programming languages, and adjusting formatting options to match your site style. Take a moment to review these settings so your code blocks blend nicely with your overall design. Once configured, any code you add to your posts or pages will automatically display with proper syntax highlighting. And that's it. You've successfully added code syntax highlighting to your WordPress site, making your tutorials clearer and more engaging for readers. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tutorials.